children. Okay, now our second class science, fifth class science, second class. First class go over, no? In the first class we have to learn about our body parts, what are the sense organs, and how many are there. We have to learn in that last class. You have to answer that in worksheets. I gave the worksheets to you. You have to answer to me, no? Yes. Now we have to learn about our one sense organ. How many have we have? 5. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Now we have to thoroughly one organ we have to learn about that. Yes. Yes or no? We have to learn about that sense organs. Now we have to learn about our eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. Yes or no? Yes. We have 2 eyes. That eyes are, our eyes are help us to see. Yes, it is no. Yes, it is no now. Yes, we have to see the world around us. We have to see what sense organs we have. What is that? What is the name of sense organ? We have to see that eyes. Yes, our eyes are help us to see. They help to detect whether things are near or far from us. Yes, it is detected. Is there book? There. Here, notes. There, our classroom. We have to go to there. We have to find out the things and vehicles like calendars. What are the writings are there? What are the letters are there? We have to find with our eyes. Yes, that is that wherever whether if that near or far the things we have to find out that the human eye is the one of the most valuable sense organ. What is that? The human eye is the most valuable sense organ. Why? Because it is remember things. It is remember sense organ. We have to see one picture. We have to remember again. We can see yes, on the day we have to saw the picture. Yes, on the day we have to watching the TV. We have to watch that movie. We have to recollect, remember, restore in our memory. That the eye is the most valuable sense organs that enables to see the world around us. Yes, మన చుట్టూ ఉన్న దాన్ని చూడడానికి ఇది ఈజీగా మనం రీస్టోర్ చేయడానికి జస్ట్ we have to find out and we have to see, we have to restore, remember that is the about the eyes. In the eyes, eyes, in our eyes so many different parts are there. Some examples for different parts. One is sclera, choroid, carina, cardiac operation, and you have to listen that is we have to remove the skin, remove that one layer, that is to see such things properly, clearly. That is our eye parts. There are different parts of our eyes. That is sclera, choroid, carina. That is. Next, we should take proper care of our eyes. Yes, we should take care of our eyes. You must heard that. You know that one saying is there in our society. That is, you mostly heard that word. What is that? Sarvendriyanam nayanam pradhanam. Do you know that about that saying? అంటే అన్ని అంగాలకెల్లా కళ్ళు చాలా ముఖ్యమైనవి, వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్. సర్వేంద్రియాణం నయనం ప్రధానం. And that means we have to protect our eyes. In the sense organs, 5 sense organs, most valuable organ is that eye. We should take care of our eyes. What is that? You know that. Take care of about eyes. Read in proper light. Yes, read in proper light. We have to read in the proper light in our room or home. In our class we have to proper light. We have to arrange to read the letters. We have to identify the book reading. We have to arrange the proper light. And in the low light we can't read. Why? Because it is stress onto our eyes. Yes. Next, second thing is do not read in in a moving vehicle as it strains the eyes. Yes, we can't read as a moving vehicles like bus, car or two-wheeler. But because it is moving, the book is moving. We have to stress on eyes to book. Then it horrible to see the correct answer. Stress on our eyes, that we can't do. Next, third one is the watch the TV from a distance of at least 6 feet. Yes, this is the most important. Not only TV, we have to don't watch more smartphone also. That light is too harmful to our eyes. Retina too infected. That don't watch TV to before 6 feet. We have to, after 6 feet, we have to sit and we have to sit to watch the TV, movies, sports, news, anything. Next, fourth one, do not rub your eyes if they are itching. Yes, do not rub with your hands, because if they are itching also you can't do. You go clean your eyes with water, clean water. Okay now. Next, wash your eyes with cold clean water. Yes, everything, if you have any problem, you go take clean cold water and you can clean your eyes smoothly. Next, sixth one is eat fish, greeny leafy vegetables such as spinach and citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. to eat. It take care of us, the eyes. It take care of our eyes. That is spinach, the vegetables, spinach and fruits like oranges, lemons, vegetables, green leafy vegetables. It keep us to our health neatly. Take care of about our eyes to healthy. Okay now. Now after that, ears after, we have to learn about our ears. Eyes after ears. Second sense organ is that. You know that we have to listen to the music. We need the ears. We have to listen the music and we have to talking about somebody asked to us. We have to heard that, means we need that organ, ears. Second organ, sense organ is ears. Now ears are the help us to various sounds around us. Yes, various sound, not only music, not only talking. We have to communicate with others. We have to answer that. We have to do some jobs, works. We have to talk also. We must listen the words and we have to give the answers. We need that ears, and that ears help us to various sounds are around us. We may find it difficult to communicate without sound. Yes, we find it difficult to communicate without sound and sight. The sign language is just gestures are used to communicate such as situations. Yes, somebody using these gestures are using to communicate such as situations. Like an eye, ear is also delicate organ of our body. The eye and ears also two sense organ also delicate to our body. The sounds can be heard by us. The sound can be heard by us. As are called audible sound. Where areas those sounds are that cannot be heard by us are called inaudible sound. And that next, ears. We have to do always. We have to put the ear pins and like some small sticks. We have to clean it. That is not good. And that we have to do the sounds. Don't listen the loud speaker sounds. Beside that, we have to concept. We have to go the pleasant music, pleasant sounds. We have to listen. It helpful to our body. And honking vehicles are loud speakers. Vehicles horns. We don't blow the horns hardly. It and sound product by babies who are crying. ఏడ్చే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు పిల్లలు ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కూడా sounds we have to produce the sounds that produced by crackers, loudspeakers and generators. Yes, bombs, crackers on Diwali we have to put diyas and we have to play crackers. We have to do that on the day. We don't use that with soundless crackers. We have to play. And sounds produced during loudspeakers and that the Ganapati festivals like Durga Mata festivals. We have to put low sound. Why? Because the surrounding areas people are suffered from us loudspeakers sound, and we have to do these type of care about our society. Why? Because they have to living in our society. We have to put some maximum some these type of not produced sounds. We not blow the horns. We don't hide sounds. Don't put in festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi and Durga Navaratris. And we don't blow the horns of vehicles because that is harmful to our ears. Our surrounding areas are also suffered. Next, about that, we have to listen the pleasant music like chirping the birds, light music and different types of musical instrument sounds. We have to listen. It is like yoga meditation like omkar sounds, om sound, like instruments like musical instruments means violin, sitar, flute, that type of pleasant music also we can listen. And next we have to learn about our take care of our ears. How we take care of our ears? See, first dry your ears well after taking bath. Yes, after taking a bath we have to clean, we have to dry to our ears, and do not use sharp and pointed objects such as hairpins and matchsticks to clean ears. And take care of while swimming. Yes, this is the most important. While we are going to swimming, we took our swimsuit and wear that in a head cap, swimsuit must wear. Why? Because in that swim water some germs are there. We have to go into the ears means it is harmful to our ears. The earache will come. That do not use castor oil or any other type of oil to clean ears. Don't use it. Without doctor prescriptions, we don't use any medical kit. See a doctor if you have an earache. If you have earache, you go and consult the doctor. Otherwise, it is a pain too much to it harmful to our ears. Next sense organ is nose. We smell through our nose. We smell through our nose. Nose help us to identify different types of smell. Our nose help us to smell the different types of smells. In our surrounding area, someone spices food preparing. We smell the spices. And we are thinking, no, someone doing that type of curry. Yes, we have to identify the smell. That food tastes better way we can smell it. Understand? Food smell, we can smell, taste the smell to it. Nose also help us to breathing process of air through the nose. Nose help us in breathing. The process of breathing in air through nose is called inhalation. The process of breathing in air through nose is called inhalation. The process of breathing air is called the process of breathing our air. What is that? Listen again. Nose also help us in breathing. Yes, nose also help us in breathing. That the process of breathing in air through nose is called inhalation. The process of breathing out air is called exhalation. The process of breathing out air is called exhalation. Next one, that take care of our nose. Take care of nose. Always keep our nose clean. Always keep our nose clean. Never pick your nose. Never pick your nose. Use a tissue or a clean handkerchief for blowing your nose. Why? Because we have to some cold. Don't pick our nose. Just we have to take handkerchief or tissue paper. Take and we have to clean our nose. And third one is never insert any object such as. We don't insert our nose such as objects such as pencil, chalk, pen, even your fingers also. Your fingers into your nostril. Don't insert any pen, pencil or fingers also. We can't insert our nose. Why? Because it is harmful to us. If your nose also blocked due to cold time, you inhale steam water to clean your steam water, to smell the hot water to clean your nose. Understand? These are that we have to learn about today. Eyes, ears, nose. That I have to send it that worksheet through our group. You must answer that. Okay na children?